Wow,
Wow,
what a
you
beautiful
see the
view.
beautiful penguins right on the back.
Oh, wow. So remember I told you this place
Ooh.
it's not owned by any country. Like the same you see in Uganda. Uganda is owned by this uh Antarctica is a
Ooh.
continent which is being taken care of by more than 50 countries. They just signed a treaty and they agreed on some rules. So whoever comes here, he has no ownership. Yeah, they just reserved it for exploration, uh, doing science research, and other things. Yeah. But as I told you, it's not so easy to reach to this place. There are a lot of things you need to consider before making your trip to Antarctica. First of all, you need to have some more money to sustain yourself, because a single trip to Antarctica it costs almost
50,000
um,
US dollar.
15,000
50.
15,000 US dollars. So you
50.
can imagine, if your income is not stable enough, just forget about Antarctica. Keep on watching on TV and reading about it in the newspapers. Yeah.